Okay, my lords, I started cleaning out my beauty room closet, organizing stuff, and I should have showed you guys what it was like from the beginning. I clean this closet out probably once every 4 months. So I see stuff that needs to go. Hold up. Okay, come on, steamer, don't do that. Hold up. Okay, this stays here. These are my perm rods and my, you know, those long spiral rods. I don't know the name. I can't think right now. I'm just overwhelmed by this. I organize all my colors, canvas heads, gifts and stuff that I give out when when I send the wigs out. And these are my personal wigs right here. Do I need that many? Oh shoot. Do I need that many? Absolutely not. And here's more of my personal wigs hanging on this thing. So, this needs to go. But yeah, it needs to go. This has nothing to do with hair. Storage things. What is this back here? More storage stuff. Yep, this needs to go. Which gives me, okay, this needs to go. This was a gift for somebody and I gotta keep it in here. That can go right there. Now I have 3 available. This stuff needs to go because I'm never gonna use it. Oh shoot, hold up, y'all. You guys, look, my first vlogging camera that I never used to vlog because I went and got a MacBook and I got a Canon camera. But I could get it to my grandkids just to play around with, or I don't know. Waste. It's stuff that I buy just a waste of money. Okay, guys, look at the mess in this beauty room because I'm cleaning out the closet. And I got to go through this to see what's in it because I have a lot of hair and wigs that I need to get rid of. And I said I was going to donate it to somebody, but I think I'm just going to throw this crap away, you guys. It's a bit much. Oh, no, it doesn't stop there. A lot of this stuff is trash, too. Not that knit, though. You guys, these comforters that are in here, there was not enough room in my, God, why can't I think of anything, you guys? My, linen closet or the guest room, because my son is using that guest room. He has this stuff in there and still some of my stuff. And these are like I showed you guys my personal wigs. So those comforters are gonna stay there. And ooh, Lord, look at this room. Okay, let me get back to it. Okay, you guys, making some progress. Look at the room now. Some stuff is out the way. Yeah, grandbaby crying, so I have to take a break. Okay, guys, I put some more of my personal wigs that's gonna stay in here. I'm pretty much done. Everything is organized and neat, and I know where everything is. The room, all I have to do right now is put these bundles on the hooks and put them on the racks because I've been buying so much hair, buying so much stuff that I don't need because I was unorganized. All this stuff is either trash or crafts, and that goes down to the garage. This is trash for sure. So I'm almost done. I'll show you guys when I'm done. These bundles I'm going to keep out because there's something about having these bundles out that lets me know that this is the good hair. And I still have good hair in the closet, but it lets me know what I need and what I don't need. I have 6x13 frontals, 5x7, 5x5, 4x4, all these bundles. You know, I need to, and then look, why is my wig shelf empty? Because I done sold them all. So I need to get to making some more wigs and work on my website that I'm going to have for selling bundles. And the bundles are only going to be curly bundles and wavy bundles and 13x6, all the different size closures and colors, you guys. I'm getting together. I'm tired. That just drained me. Oh, and let me show you guys something else. Hold up. I gotta hold up. This was last year's vision board. It had more stuff on it, but where I had it stored, it came off. So, since I didn't complete anything, I did do a lot of resting and self-care. Because me and my husband pray. Bank of the universe, you know. Endless cash flow, 7-figure income, 100K subscribers, entrepreneur money, dream home. I deserve to live a life of luxury. I wanted a Porsche, but that changed. I don't want that no more. Travel the world. And that was my dream board from last year. And I didn't complete not even hardly, no, probably one of the things. So what I did, instead of making another vision board this year, I just took the 4 out and put a 5. Okay? So let's see how many things I get done on this board. And I'm going to make almost all of them happen. Okay, look at how many bundles. These are like the frontals and closures. These are the bundles, started from the shortest to the longest. Wait, this needs to go right here. And I'll show you when I finish doing putting the hooks on these bundles over here. Okay, you guys, I am done. I already showed you guys the inside of the closet, but everything is put up. Bundles are hung up. You guys, I was about to order a lot of hair. I'm still going to order some hair, but now I don't have to order as much because look at all the bundles I found. So, yeah. This is it. I'm done.